here. Merry Christmas and happy holidays. And thank you for watching our virtual holiday event this year. So what I'm here to do is show you some very fun crafts that you can do until the holidays get here. I have two really fun looking crafts. I'm super excited to try them. The first one is for some younger kids. It is a DIY milk bottle for Santa. So we have some little stickers and things, and we're gonna decorate a milk bottle for the cookies and milk that you leave out for Santa. And the second is a candy cane ornament that you can put on your tree. So, like I said, they look super fun and I'm very excited to try them. So, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so this is our first craft. This is a special milk jug for Santa. So, we have a sheet with a sticker person on it. Mine's a gingerbread man. So I'm gonna take the different pieces of the gingerbread man, decorate my gingerbread cookie, cookie man. And then when that's all done, I'm gonna put him on my special milk bottle for Santa. You wanna make sure that you wash and dry your milk bottle before we do it, so that way it's good to go for when Santa comes. And then that's it. So I'm gonna make my gingerbread man and attach him to the bottle. So let's get started. And now for our second craft, we are going to make a beaded candy cane. So what you're gonna need is some wire, a string to hang our candy cane so you can put it on your tree when you're done, and beads, red and white beads, and then also some pliers for the end. If you don't have pliers, it should be okay. The wire is pretty easy to bend. You could either just use your fingers, or if you have something small and round, like a really small screwdriver or something, that you could wrap the wire around at the end. But we'll do that at the end. And I will show you what we're doing. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take our wire. One end is looped, so we're gonna start with that. And go ahead and pick whatever color you want to start with. I'm gonna start with red, and it's real simple. We're just gonna put the beads on our wire, alternating red and white until we've used up all of our beads. Whoop, dropped one. Until we used up all of our beads. Okay, as you saw, I got all my beads on. I'm actually holding it with the pliers so I don't lose it, because I'm afraid I'm gonna drop it and all the beads are gonna fall on the floor. So what you're gonna do with your pliers is you're actually gonna take it and bend the wire so you have another loop like what you had at the top. But like I said, if you don't have pliers, I think if you have like a thin screwdriver or something small that you could bend the metal around, I think you'll be okay. So now that it has a loop at the bottom, we're gonna go ahead and bend it so it looks like a candy cane. There we go. So now I have my candy cane shape, and I'm going to take my string I don't know that I like that. Made a big separation for me right there. Woo! Okay. Let's try that again. That's a little less. Okay, so I got it where I want it. Just gonna tie a knot in the top of my ribbon, and that's it. We are done. We have a beaded candy cane that you can hang on your Christmas tree. And there we have it, our 2 Christmas crafts. Our beaded candy cane ornament and our special milk jug for Santa. All the stickers all around it. It's very fun. So if you like these, my bottle's rolling away. There we go. If you like these, they're really easy, really easy to make, as you saw. But if you really want to make them, stop by the library, because we have these materials in our holiday kit for curbside pickup. Now, the milk jug, the milk for Santa, is gonna be in our birth through age 5 kit, and the candy cane will be in the kindergarten through 5th grade, and there's some other fun special stuff in there for you. So swing by the library, stop at the curbside pickup, and when you text or call the circulation desk, tell them you want to pick up a youth services holiday kit, and then tell them what age group you're looking for, and it's as simple as that. So thanks everybody for watching. Happy holidays and Merry Christmas.